Good morning, students. I, Jevin Jyoti Kumawat, Faculty of Education and Methodology. Today I am going to present the topic acid rain, which is from the course Environmental Science and for the program BSc B.Ed, BA B.Ed second semester. So, acid rain first given by Robert Anger and Smith in 1852. And students, have you listened about many more times that Taj Mahal, the marble of the color of Taj Mahal is going to convert yellow day by day. Then what is the reason behind this? Have you think about earlier? Because of air pollution? Because of other reasons? Actually, the reason behind this is the acid rain. Now we come to the topic. Then what is acid rain? एसिड रेन इसको हम अम्लीय वर्षा भी कहते हैं, जो वर्षा जल के साथ जब बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में अम्ल मिक्स हो जाता है, एसिड मिक्स हो जाता है, देन दिस इज़ कॉल्ड द एसिड रेन. नाउ द कॉज ऑफ एसिड रेन आर सल्फर एंड नाइट्रोजन पार्टिकल्स विच गेट मिक्स विद द वेट कंपोनेंट ऑफ द रेन. सल्फर एंड नाइट्रोजन पार्टिकल्स में मिक्स हो जाते हैं जो कि रेन के साथ आते हैं, बारिश के साथ. Sulfur and nitrogen particles which get mixed with water are found in two ways, either man-made, example as the emission of the given out from the industries, or by natural cause like how a lightning strike in the atmosphere releasing nitrogen, iron and sulfur is released from the volcanic eruption. तो टू रीजन्स हो सकते हैं, मैन मेड एंड दी नेचुरल. Now sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide basically two undergo some oxidation reaction and then they react with water, resulting in the formation of sulfuric acid and nitric acid respectively. The following reactions will clarify the acid formation reaction. Now, in this reaction you can see then how sulfuric acid form. In that you can observe the sulfur dioxide which is react with the O2 and H2O, oxygen and H2O, then they मिल कर के H2SO4 दे आर बना रहे हैं वो. नाउ नीचे है नाइट्रोजन जो आपका डाइऑक्साइड है वो एंड ऑक्सीजन एंड H2O ये सब मिल कर के क्या बना रहे हैं, नाइट्रिक एसिड बना रहे हैं. तो सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड और नाइट्रिक एसिड दोनों ही एक एसिड है जो कि फिर रेन के साथ मिल जाते हैं, बारिश के साथ, एंड देन they come in the form of acid rain. Now what are the effect of acid rain? Acid rain is very harmful for the agriculture, for plants, for animals. It washes away all nutrients which are required for the growth and survival of plants. Acid rain affect agriculture by the way how it is alert the composition of the soil. It causes respiratory issues in animals and humans. When acid rain fall down and flow into the river and ponds, it affect the aquatic ecosystem also. जो भी पानी में रह रहे हैं उस इकोसिस्टम को भी बहुत ज़्यादा अफेक्ट कर रहे हैं. It alerts the chemical composition of the water to a form which is actually harmful to the aquatic ecosystem to survive and cause water pollution. Acid rain also causes the corrosion of the water pipe which further results in leaking of heavy metals such as iron, lead, copper into drinking water. It damages the building monument made up of stone and metals. The best example here are some like Taj Mahal, Statue of Liberty, one of the seven wonders of the world, is largely affected by acid rain. The city of Agra has many industries which emit the oxides of sulfur and nitrogen in the atmosphere. People continue to use low quality coal, firewood as a domestic fuel, adding to this problem. Acid rain has the following reaction with the marble, calcium carbonate. You can see in that equation, in that formula. CaCO3 plus H2SO4. They both combine, they both react and the form CaSO4, calcium sulfate, and H2O plus CO2. The formulation of calcium sulfate results in the corrosion of the beautiful moment. Now you got very well. A Statue of Liberty, which is made up of copper, has also been damaged by the cumulative action of acid rain and oxidation for over 30 years and is therefore becoming green in color. Now, prevention of acid rain, what, how can we prevent? The only precaution that we can take against acid rain is having a check at the emission of oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. मतलब कहाँ से वो किस तरह से रिलीज हो रहा है एटमोसफियर के अंदर नाइट्रोजन एंड सल्फर, उसको हमें रोकना है. We have so far seen the details of acid rain and its harmful effect on animals, plants, and the moments. Now, being responsible citizens, one should be aware of the harmful effect that they cause and of the industries which give out nitrogen and sulfur compound waste unethically. Thank you. I hope you are satisfied with the topic acid rain. If you are not, then comment in comment box. We resolve in our live session. Thank you.